Ready? Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be honest with you guys. We're running way behind this week. Way behind. It's 3:30 on Wednesday. We haven't, should have been done, what, a day and a half ago? We had no idea what we were gonna spray in this car. Gabe and I were literally talking at lunch today. And Gabe said, well, what about something over a nice blue, like Supermarine blue? And I was like, yeah, all right. And he's like, what about yellow? And I'm like, okay. And that's how this project came together. Today we're spraying Saturn yellow over Supermarine blue. Why? There's no reason. Here's Saturn yellow. It's beautiful. It's very metallic. Are we going to be making a green by putting a yellow pearl over a blue base?
I don't think so.
Thought on pigment load?
We got to try to keep it a little low.
Little low.
I would say try to think of this like our dark base, kind of keep everything lower pigment load. So kind of deal, I don't know.
Really got this dialed in. 12.5?
Yeah, we can start with that.
Okay, so that would be one bag of 25, and then we're gonna cut. We haven't used Saturn yellow in a very long time. I'm not gonna lie, we don't know how this one's gonna turn out. Yellow pearls are finicky. They can be very difficult to use. The coverage is usually abysmal. That's why we always tell people to use a color matching base with them. Over a dark, rich blue like Supermarine, I don't know, man. Let me show it to you over the old stick of truth here. Why? I don't know. Well, you're gonna see what it looks like over black. So very translucent, but very shimmery. Honestly, it's a beautiful yellow. Sometimes we do projects like this, and it really doesn't work out. But sometimes we do projects like this that just come together in thin air, and they end up being awesome. So it's going to be one of the two.
I'm really hoping that we just get this yellow gold type of shimmer in the light over the blue.
Are you ready?
As ready as I could ever be.
Okay, let's go. All right, guys, we're all done with the project. And right off the bat, we did not end up using the 12.5 gram load. We ended up pouring the product into the gun, looking at each other, getting terrified, and cutting it back all the way down to like 6 grams per gallon. And I'm glad that we did, because even though it's a little bit cloudy, it's something. we made something. I'm going to take it outside right now, and you guys know what to do. Leave a comment below. Rate this one for me 1 through 5. Let me know if you love it or if you hate it. I never want you guys to think that we don't put effort into these videos. We always try to think them through ahead of time, but the week got away from us, and this is what we did. So I hope you guys like it. If you guys want to change the color of your wheels or your emblems or your whole car, you know what to do. Head to DipYourCar.com. We have tons of kits. They're all do-it-yourself friendly. Gabe and I had a ton of fun on this video, even though it was a little bit hectic. I hope you had fun watching it. I'll see you on the next one.